Okay, so the next problem is integration of x power 4 into e power minus 2x into dx. So we compare integration of u dv, that is u equal to x power 4 and dv equal to e power minus 2x. And here, if the power of x equal to 4 and it is greater than 1, the 4 equal to greater than 1, so then only we apply that Bernoulli rule. Suppose the power is equal to 1, then we apply that integration by parts formula. And u equal to x power 4 and dv equal to e power minus 2x here. Check for isolate, either it is in the form of isolate or not. Okay, what is the first one? The first one is algebraic and the second one is exponential. So therefore, the first priority goes to that algebraic function and second priority goes to that exponential function. So for it is in the form of the first one is given that algebraic and second one is given that exponential. So it is in the form of isolate. So we need not to change. And we compare that what is u is equal to x power 4 and dv equal to e power minus 2x into dx. If the degree equal to 4, we can find the derivative up to fourth derivative, that is u dash. U dash is nothing but 4x cube, that is x power n. What is the formula for differentiation of x power n? That is n into x to the power of n minus 1. And u double dash is nothing but second derivative. So therefore we get that 4 into 3, 12 x square. And u triple dash 12 into 2, 24 x. And u fourth dash 24. That means, so here we need to find the derivative for x power n. The formula for x power n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. And next dv. So dv equal to e power minus 2x into dx. So therefore v equal to integration of dv. So therefore that is e power minus 2x, integration of e power minus 2x, that is nothing but e power minus 2x by minus 2. That is e power minus x, nothing but e power minus x. Before x we have minus 2 here, so we written as by minus 2. And similarly v1, the v1 is nothing but integration of v into dx. So therefore this is nothing but a minus 1 by 2 is taken as an outside, integration of e power minus 2x. Already we find that the value, we get that e power minus 2x by minus 2. So therefore the v1 equal to e power minus 2x by 4. Similarly we can find that v2, that is nothing but a integration of v1 into dx, that is nothing but a 1 by 4 into integration of e power minus 2x. So we can write that e power minus 2x by minus 2, and we get that minus 1 by 8 into, this is 4 into 2, 8, that is minus 1 by 8 into e power minus 2x. And next v3 nothing but integral of v2 into dx. We get that minus 1 by 8 into integral of e power minus 2x into dx. And we know that it's the integration, so that is e power minus 2x by minus 2. And we simplify that, this minus into minus, that is nothing but a plus 1 by 16 into e power minus 2x. And v4 equal to 1 by 16 into integral of e power minus 2x into dx. So we get that 1 by 16 into integration of e power minus 2x, nothing but e power minus 2x by minus 2. So 16 into 2, 32. And this is a plus and this is a minus. We get a minus 1 by 32 into e power minus 2x. That means if the power is 4, then we can find the derivative or integration up to fourth, that is u dash, u double dash, u triple dash, u4 dash. Similarly v1, v2, v3 and v4. And this all will be taken as 1. And next we will take that, apply the Bernoulli rule. So written as a formula, integration of u dv, that is uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus u fourth dash v4. Substitute 1 in 2. So therefore we substitute the all values of, we get this one. And what is the shortcut? The shortcut is the u equal to written as u. What is u? X power 4. Differentiation of x power 4, 4x cube. Differentiation of 4x cube, 12x square. And differentiation of 12x square, 24x. And differentiation of 24x, 24. And v equal to, this is directly we need to get v, but here it is given that in dv. So v equal to e power minus 2x by 2, and we find this all integrations. Next e power minus 2x by minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 into 4 minus 8, minus 2 into minus 8 plus 16, minus 2 into 16 minus 32. And we do that signs plus minus plus minus plus, and we multiplied x power 4 into e power minus 2x by minus 2 minus 4x cubed into e power minus 2x by 4 plus 12x square into e power minus 2x by minus 18, 8 minus 24x into e power minus 2x by 16 plus 24 into e power minus 2x by minus 32. Okay. So the main one is, first, how to identify the problem is in the form of Bernoulli rule or not. Both the functions u and v are in function of x, and the power of x is greater than 1. That means the degree of x is greater than 1. Then we apply that Bernoulli rule. And if it is 4 degrees 4, we can find the derivative or integration up to fourth one, u dash, u double dash, u triple dash, u4 dash. Similarly, v1, v2, v3 and v4. And next we are written as a Bernoulli formula, that is Bernoulli rule, and we substitute the values all, then we simplify.